pictures of the new Smurf riders taken at the Smurf test track.
Tested on real kids.
Parents will love the Super Smurf piggyback rider. It's terrific for toddlers.
Real Smurfy.
The Smurf's a poppin' train. It's really poppin'.
A walker and a rider.
The Smurf Power Cycle for kids a little older.
It looks like fun.
And now, ta-da! The Smurfmobile.
Wow!
Smurf-tastic.
Love the